The wrapped garment will be shipped to you in 2 pieces. Follow these steps to assemble the garment. Place the outer wrap and the inflatable bladder flat. Open the zipper at the end of the outer wrap. Put the inflatable bladder into the outer wrap. Be sure you push the edges of the bladder out so it lies completely flat inside the outer garment. Put the air hose ports through the air hose port openings of the outer wrap. Make sure they are held securely in place and close the zipper. To wear the wrap garment, first hold one end of the wrap garment across the chest and pull the other end under your arms and around your chest. Attach the wrap garment so that it fits snugly around your chest. Make sure the angled end tab is pointing towards the space between the air hose ports. Press the Velcro brand closure to make sure the hold is secure. You should be able to fit a flat hand between the garment and the body before you inflate the garment.